In 2023, several dropshipping companies have emerged as top players in the industry. These companies excel in providing reliable services, quality products, efficient order fulfillment, and excellent customer support. While individual preferences may vary based on specific business needs and niche markets, here are some of the best dropshipping companies in 2023. Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that offers a robust dropshipping solution. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of integrations, Shopify makes it easy to set up and manage an online store. It provides access to numerous suppliers through its Oberlo app, which allows seamless product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. Shopify's strong community support and educational resources make it a preferred choice for many dropshippers. AliExpress. AliExpress, operated by Alibaba Group, is one of the largest online marketplaces for dropshipping. It connects buyers with suppliers from around the world, offering a vast selection of products at competitive prices. AliExpress provides a user-friendly platform, reliable shipping options, and buyer protection policies. It is known for its extensive range of products, making it suitable for dropshippers targeting various niches. Salehu. Salehu is a comprehensive directory of verified suppliers and wholesalers. It offers a curated list of reliable suppliers across different product categories, making it easier to find trustworthy partners. Salehu provides detailed supplier profiles, customer reviews, and a vibrant community forum to facilitate knowledge sharing among dropshippers. With their rigorous supplier vetting process, Salehu ensures a high level of trust and quality. Doba. Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects sellers with a wide network of suppliers. It offers a robust product catalog, automated order processing, and real-time inventory updates. Doba's platform simplifies the product sourcing process and allows for seamless integration with popular e-commerce platforms. They provide data-driven insights and market trends to help sellers make informed decisions. Modelist. Modelist is a dropshipping platform that focuses on connecting online retailers with reliable suppliers specializing in fashion and accessories. It offers a curated selection of trendy and unique products, making it suitable for fashion-oriented dropshippers. Modelist's platform enables easy product import, inventory management, and order fulfillment, streamlining the dropshipping process for fashion retailers. Spocket. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that emphasizes connecting sellers with suppliers offering high-quality products from the US and Europe. It focuses on reducing shipping times and providing a premium customer experience. Spocket offers a range of products across different categories and provides a user-friendly interface to manage inventory and fulfill orders seamlessly. Conclusion: the best dropshipping companies in 2023 encompass a range of platforms and directories that offer reliable services, quality products, and efficient order fulfillment. Shopify, AliExpress, Salehu, Doba, Modelist, and Spocket are among the top choices for dropshippers due to their industry-leading features, extensive supplier networks, and user-friendly interfaces. It is important to assess your business requirements, niche, and target market when selecting a dropshipping company to ensure the best fit for your specific needs.